गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू स्टडी इन यूके सीरीज, जहां हम आपके सारे डाउट्स क्लियर करेंगे विद रियल अनबाइस्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन। अगर आपने पहला वीडियो नहीं देखा है सो फर्स्ट गो एंड चेक दैट आउट, ताकि आप शुरू से समझ सके रसल ग्रुप क्या है। आज हम बात करेंगे हार्ट ऑफ इंग्लैंड के 3 फेमस रसल यूनिवर्सिटीज के बारे में, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ बर्मिंघम, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ब्रिस्टल और डरहम यूनिवर्सिटी। ये यूनिवर्सिटीज उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए परफेक्ट है जो एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस, वाइब्रेंट स्टूडेंट लाइफ और स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडस्ट्री कनेक्शंस चाहते हैं। मैं हूं नैंसी और मेरे साथ है हमारी एक्सपर्ट स्टडी अब्रॉड काउंसलर आभा मैम, एंड शी इज बीन गाइडिंग स्टूडेंट्स टू गेट इनटू टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज अब्रॉड। Hello and welcome once again, ma'am. Why are these 3 universities considered so elite and what makes them so special?
Well, I must say this is a very great question. ये तीनों यूनिवर्सिटीज बर्मिंघम, ब्रिस्टल एंड डरहम, ये तीनों सिर्फ एक रसल ग्रुप का हिस्सा नहीं है, बट दे ऑल्सो हैव वेरी गुड रेपुटेशन एंड वेरी हाई रैंकिंग्स इन द यूके एंड देयर ओवरऑल ग्लोबल रैंकिंग इज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस। इसी के साथ अगर हम बात करते हैं बर्मिंघम की, देन बर्मिंघम इज वेरी वेल नोन फॉर इट्स इंडस्ट्रियल लिंक्स, especially for the region of West Midlands, which is also known as the economic region of UK. It provides a very wide multicultural experience to the students and it is preferred by students because it provides big city vibe with a lot of job opportunities. अब अगर हम बात करते हैं ब्रिस्टल की, तो ब्रिस्टल is more progressive, more research oriented. So overall, if you are looking for courses like engineering, climate change, data science, then Bristol should be your top tier choice. अब ये क्योंकि स्टार्टअप्स के बीच में है, then it provides overall exposure to you about what is happening around the world. Now, as we talk about Durham, Durham is more of an academic powerhouse. It is for the students who are more academically driven, जिन्हें पढ़ाई करने में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, and Durham gives overall a Hogwarts vibe. Old building, beautiful campus with a combination of good programs as well as experienced faculty. This is very well known for the courses like law, economics and social sciences. So if you are looking for such courses, then Durham needs to be your priority.
Interesting. So ma'am, what kind of courses are popular or high in demand at each of these universities?
So अगर हम demand की बात करते हैं, तो it's not about popularity, but it depends on what leads to proper career path. Top courses in Birmingham includes engineering, computer science, business analytics, public health and business. These courses are very well rooted with the UK's industrial sector. These provide a very good combination of classroom learning as well as practical learning, which is through internships as well as projects. Bristol is more tech forward. Here you will see courses like aerospace, AI, climate change and machine learning. This university is a very good match for a student who is looking for complex problem solving. Durham में काफ़ी traditional courses popular हैं. For example, law, economics, psychology and social sciences. These courses provided in Durham are very deep and really respected by top employers. So if you are looking for a proper research experience, then Durham will provide you intellectual space to thrive in it.
So ma'am, how can a student figure out which university is best personal fit for them?
This is a very good but very underrated question. Nancy, usually students get impressed by rankings, but उन्हें पता नहीं होता है कि every student's case is unique and they should go for their own personal fit. Students की अपनी requirements हो सकती हैं on the basis of finances, on the basis of academics. So here I'll break it down for you to properly understand. First हम start करते हैं Birmingham से. If a student is looking for a very fast-paced life, wants to network with people and is very okay with big city vibes, then the student needs to choose Birmingham. Bristol has that progressive vibe in it and is very good for students who are highly ambitious. Durham is more focused and very academically driven. This is very good for students who are looking for a classic, closely knit experience of university. This is very good for students who are looking for peace over party. This follows a very traditional approach of teaching.
So ma'am, ROI के बारे में काफी लोग confused होते हैं. Is the cost really worth it in these universities?
Absolutely, this is a very important part for students as well as parents. क्योंकि जब आप एक डिग्री परस्यू करने के लिए जा रहे हैं in UK, then you might spend approximately 20 lakhs to 30 lakhs per year. So then the question arises is कि क्या ये worth है? And the answer to it is absolutely yes. The students who are pursuing their degree from Birmingham, they will easily land up into jobs which will give them earning of approximately 30,000 to 40,000 GBP per year. और जब हम बात करते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ब्रिस्टल की, देन दे लैंड इनटू जॉब्स ऑफ टेक which may get them approximately 45,000 GBP and higher per year, as well as जो बच्चे pursue कर रहे हैं from Durham, they will get a job in London and that too in very good consulting firms or banks. So overall, they will end up earning somewhere approximately 50 lakhs a year. So ये overall बहुत अच्छा experience है. And if you are planning your studies properly, matching your universities with your profile, understanding your requirements, understanding your finances from the starting, and आप proper opportunity ले रहे हो, networking, taking proper opportunity for internships, courses, and you are taking the benefit of 2 years post-study work visa, then overall you will have a very great ROI.
सो मैम, अब आते हैं मोस्ट हीटेड क्वेश्चन पे। क्या स्टूडेंट्स इन एलीट यूनिवर्सिटीज में पढ़ते हुए भी पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स कर सकते हैं?
Definitely. A lot of students want to know कि part-time job की क्या opportunities है. So UK really allows you to work part-time, which is 20 hours per week, as well as even more in weekends. And you can have job opportunities like working in universities, working in cafeterias, admissions office, getting a teaching assistantships. All of these opportunities can get you approximate of 10 to 14 GBPs of earning. अब ये क्या आपकी फुल ट्यूशन फी कवर करने में हेल्प करेगा? बिल्कुल नहीं। ये आपकी हेल्प करेगा लिविंग कॉस्ट को हेल्प आउट करने के लिए, एंड यू कैन डेफिनेटली एक्सपेक्ट गुड एक्सपोजर आउट ऑफ दिस.
मैम, व्हाट अबाउट स्कॉलरशिप्स? आर देयर एनी रियल चांसेस फॉर इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स?
सो ऑनेस्टली यूके की जितनी भी डिग्रीज हैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है फॉर इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स, तो इसीलिए स्कॉलरशिप्स अवेलेबल हैं, बट दे आर हाईली कम्पिटिटिव. So Bristol provides a Think Big scholarship, which is worth approximately 20,000 GBP, जो कि इंडियन करेंसी में कहीं तक जाता है 22-23 लाख का. Even Birmingham provides a Global Excellence Scholarship. Then, when it comes to Durham, Durham gives departmental and merit-based scholarships. So overall, मेरी tip है कि if you are looking to get a scholarship, then make sure you are applying very early, because scholarships are more first come first serve basis. And if you are looking to get scholarship, then definitely you need to have a very good SOP which explains why are you choosing the course and what will you provide to the university.
Now, if you have watched this video till the end, here's your reward.
This Sunday, EdLink will be hosting a free live webinar where you will have an opportunity to understand all the courses, intake, universities, documentation, as well as a live Q&A which will help you answer all of your queries.
Spots are limited. Link is in the description. Register now and take your first step towards your UK dream. Now the last question. What are the common mistakes students make while applying to these universities?
Well, I'll be honest, the most common mistake is applying late. जुलाई में या सितंबर में स्टार्ट होगा कोर्स, तो मतलब हम बहुत लेट अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम. Students need to understand that universities provide admission as well as scholarship on first come first serve basis. अब इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप थोड़ा लेट हुए तो इंटेक ही क्लोज हो जाएगा, but if you will start early, you will get breathable space to arrange all the documents properly. And the second biggest mistake is applying blindly. बहुत सारे students they apply to too many universities and then end up getting confused or end up getting into wrong universities. So overall, if you are looking to apply to the universities in UK, then you will have to understand what is your course. If you are clear about the course, then you will get proper guidance from us. So this is very important for students to understand that SOP needs to be very dedicated. These days, students end up using AI tools like ChatGPTs, which will not help you get into good universities. Students sometimes also take LOR and documents very lightly. This is why at EdLink, we try to help students at each and every step so that they don't end up getting rejections from the universities.
Abha ma'am, thank you for guiding us about these 3 universities. I hope जितने भी students UK या Russell Group target कर रहे हैं, उन्हें काफ़ी clarity मिली होगी.
Always happy to help, Nancy. EdLink का तो vision ही है to help all the students achieve their study abroad goals in a very simple, transparent and ethical manner.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा है, so do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any UK series episodes. Let's make your UK dream into reality with EdLink.